Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys about these Magpods. I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with these things or not, but they go over the bottom of your Gen 2 magazines for your AR-15. And what it does, you can use it as a stand like this to have on display. You know, sometimes you want your guns out, you don't want them laying up against the dresser, up against the table, whatever. You want to have it sit there just like that, like I do, like with mine sometimes, you know what I mean? I don't always like them put away or whatever, I like to have them out. But with these new Magpods, not only does it act as a stand versus the other stands that I talked about. This is for an AK. I have some for the AR-15. These are 3D printed, and it's actually just a mount. You know, it doesn't do you no good on the woods or at the range. But however, the Magpod, it's perfect because this is perfect for if you don't have a bipod on your rifle. I have a few bipods on some of my rifles, but this acts as a bipod. It doesn't slip. It looks like it's got a nice rubber bottom, and it's perfect for at the range target shooting. You can leave your gun standing there. It's not going to fall down. But most importantly, like I said, it's a stand, multiple purposes. It's a stand and a bipod. They're fairly inexpensive. They do have a few different colors. They have black and they have the FDE color, the tan one. And I think there are three of them for $27. Well, they recently just came out with the Gen 3 one, which is pretty cool. So if you had the Gen 3 magazines, now they make one for those. And I originally thought that it slid right over the existing plate on your Gen 2 mag. You know, I thought it just slid right on there, but it doesn't. It's completely cut out to fit exactly in place of the plate here on your Gen 2. Very simple. You push the button in, you slide it over, and as you can see, it pops right out here in the middle. It's a perfect fit, guys. It doesn't move. Pretty cool, huh? Like I said, this is the Gen 2 PMAG, and now they just recently came up with the one for if you have a Gen 3 mag. But that's pretty awesome, you know what I mean? I like it. Like I said, you got a bipod now, and it's as simple as taking that magazine out of that AR-15 and put it into another AR-15, and you got a bipod. Versus spending $100-something for a bipod, which I have done on some of my other guns, but it can get expensive. But this is an excellent alternative, guys. These are called MAG, M-A-G-P-O-D, Magpods. Pretty cool. You guys haven't seen my video earlier. These are 3D printed AR-15 buffer tube mounts. As you can see here, let me lower the stand a little bit. As you can see from there, if you want to, if you're like me and you want to look at that, how nice they stand up. Perfect right in there. It locks right in. It's got a perfect cutout right here. As you can see, for this part of your buffer tube, it goes right into those two grooves. So you can hang it from the left side, or if you want to, you can hang it from the right side. And it doesn't move, guys. And you can put this in your closet, in your gun cabinet, in your gun room, wherever you want. It's going to be nice and strong and secure. I might do a giveaway and give some of these away because I know a lot of guys are probably going to like it. These are very cool. And then another one I got, this is called the M-Lock wall mount. This fits on the M-Lock on your AR-15s, but it also fits on the Magpods MOE on your AK-47s. And it's very simple. You got these grooves right here. It slides right in. Let me see. It slides right in. It's like a hanger, just like that. And it doesn't move, guys. Let me see if I can get you guys a better picture. Yeah, just slides. I'm trying to see how I can do this. It just slides right in here. Like I said, you can see the grooves on there. It goes right inside either hole and lock it in there perfectly. And what's good about this, because this is a full quad stack 60 round mag, and I've only got it attached with one screw here, and it doesn't move. It's very strong. While experimenting yesterday, I tried a couple other configurations. You can turn this sideways. You can turn this sideways and mount your gun to where it's mounted just like this, and it won't fall down or break. So that's pretty cool. Again, this is 3D printed as well. This is the M-Lock wall mount. Like I said, it fits your M-Lock on your AR-15, your AR-10, or your Magpod MOE. Very strong. Let me know what you guys think about that. And then next one I'm going to come up with, I'm going to design what you call it, something as a hanger for the MOE stock. Kind of similar to what I have already here for the AR-15, but obviously I have to make a few upgrades to it, but I'm going to see what I can come up with. Make a hanger to give you an option to hang it by the butt stock, by the stock, or if you want to use the MOE guard, or the MOE hand grip on there. But again, it's simple, slides right in, and it locks, and as you can see, it doesn't move. Nothing. It fits in there nice and perfect. It's a perfect fit. And again, this goes on your AR-15 or your AK. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. There's a lot of people that probably don't know about this this Magpod, but it's an excellent solution if you can't afford a bipod, or you're like me, you get tired of taking a bipod off one gun, transfer it to another gun. It's as quick and as simple as taking out the magazine and put it into another one. Now you got yourself a bipod, or you got yourself a nice stand that you can put on your table, do whatever you want. It looks absolutely great. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you get some good positive feedback, like I said, I'll probably do a giveaway and give a few of these mounts away. I love giving things away to people, or things that I come up with. I like sharing it with other people. So again, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody.